Hi guys, back again with another Sex and the City fashion look for you guys. For any Sex and the City fans out there, I'm sure you'll recognise this dress that Sarah Jessica Parker is seen wearing here. It's this lovely pink dress with a ruffly skirt. I think it's so cute. It's very ballerina-like. And you can get that exact dress by going to this link, which I will be leaving in the description. And this is the dress that Sarah Jessica Parker was seen wearing in the intro of Sex and the City. I'm sure, as I've said, for any Sex and the City fans out there, you've probably seen her wear this hundreds of times because you've watched Sex and the City so much, and this dress is the dress that's in the intro. So if you've always looked at this dress and thought, I'd love to have that dress myself, you can now get it yourself. I will leave the link in the description and you can go check it out. This is definitely a piece which you want to add to your wardrobe, and for the price, there really is no reason not to. Alright guys, I shall see you in the next video. Bye!